still in a weather alert here. Weather alert in Columbia. The Gamecocks and the Bulldogs trying to get it underway at Williams-Brice Stadium. It's Carolina versus Georgia. Under center for Thompson. Drops back 3 steps. Fade route left side. Rolling. Caught at the goal line. Did he dive in?
Touchdown.
Touchdown Carolina. Touchdown Jack Rowland. They'll fake and throw out to Cooper left side. One move at the 10, at the 5. He's in there. Touchdown Carolina. Touchdown Pharaoh Cooper from 8 yards out. A beautifully designed play. Thompson shotgun down the middle, lofting for Anderson. Caught! Touchdown Carolina! Touchdown Buster Anderson! The 9th touchdown of his career. This one's from 18 yards out. Wilds with his hands on his knees. They'll hand to Wilds inside the 20. Stiff arm to 15, 10, 5. Touchdown. Touchdown Carolina. Touchdown Brandon Wilds from 24 yards out. He looks ready. They snap it back. He kicks it up. Are you kidding me? He missed it. He missed it. The Georgia kicker missed it. First down, Carolina! The students, it's chaos. That's gonna do it. I don't believe it. I don't believe it.